Alright. Yep, ready.
Alright. You got that, and some pants.
She's attacking her bib.
Ooh.
That is nice.
Ooh.
That's Zoe. Zebra print.
We can send you to Mexico and make some money off of you. Take a picture with the baby zebra. Hey. To Zoe.
Zoe, here, come on. Oh, it's a hug and hide stroller toy.
With a teething toy in it.
Nice.
Oh, or she can eat the paper. Whatever. That's cool. Really?
This is a hat.
You would rather eat the paper?
It's a Christmas hat.
Oh, that's awesome. Here, she looks like a little Dutch girl. With guns. Yum. Dribbles. What's that?
It's a bear. Here's what you want right here. These are good.
What is this?
He likes it.
Yes, she does. She likes it. Okay. Alright. Alright, Zoe, you can play with him later. There's another little outfit over there. With the, hey, show the paper.
Some gag paper. This is nice.
Ooh, Zoe, look how cute you're gonna be.
It's a giraffe. Oh, there. I'm just gonna sit. I like the stripes.
Yeah, little gray pants.
It's a onesie, and then it's got the little pants that go all over it. Oh, it's
You gonna eat your pants?
If it ever decides to get cold here in Georgia.
Hey,
Alright, next one.
this is to Miss Zoe. Love always, Grandma and Grandpa Claus.
Awesome.
Oh, yum. It's spitting up everywhere. Icky! What is
Oh, there she's got.
What's this, Zoe?
This is. Oh, this is pretty rad.
What is it?
The maze Northern Lights do there.
Ooh.
Put it in the crib. She can like.
Not
check it
in
out.
the crib.
Oh, like. She's like.
Oh,
Nice.
that's badass.
You think so?
Don't show her the actual thing, dude.
Look.
Shiny.
Oh. Nice. I love that.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Nice.
And look, the lights light up with it.
She likes it.
Good. The camera. Zoe, she's still got her pants. Hold on.
Yeah.
Yay, Zoe! Alright.
Oh yeah, she's got her pants on. It's a grip time.
Alright, this one. To Zoe, love Aunt Tara and Grandma and Grandpa.
Right. I want to set it loud.
What's this, Zoe? more crap over here.
Pieces and stuff.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Oh wait, there's crap over here too. And look, there's a frog right there. Look at that froggy! Little cell phone thing and a book. That's awesome. Shapes, numbers, and languages. Dude, I think it's in Spanish too.
Really?
I don't know. It says some shit in Spanish on it.
Melodies and melodias. Nice.
Alright. Here's your big one from Mommy and Daddy, Zoe.
Right. Jumper! We're gonna set this up later.
Yay!
Awesome. Betsy. Is that Zoe? She's over there looking at Freya.
Freya's over there exploring the paper. Zoe, look! I know it's just like a big box to you right now.
You don't love it. Nice.
Alright. Say Merry Christmas, Zoe.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
That's all of them, huh?
Yep.
Awesome.
And the save.
Oh, she did this rookie noise.
Here, you want the bear? Let's see. Here. Hey.
All right. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Oh, God.